How to create a new account in Brawl Stars without deleting the old one. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new account in Brawl Stars without deleting the old one. Open the Brawl Stars app. Then, tap on the three lines shown at the top right corner. Next, go to the settings and choose the Supercell ID option. Now, hit Next and tap on the Get Started button. After that, enter the email on which you can verify easily. Lastly, continue to create your account by entering your name. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.